still have a rug here, you know. So I'm still touching this plastic here. Just like rain shower is going on here. So the clouds, you know, it's all wet here, you know. What? Oh my god. Oy, magandang umaga mga kaibigan. Good morning. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Kagigising ko lang. Alam niyo kung sinong kasama ko yung mag-kidrel? Si Mr. Charlie. So but in the morning, you know, before you begin anything else, don't forget your coffee. Alright? I brew my coffee beans. So dadalhin ko tong cooler ko mamaya. Dadalhin ko yung lagayan ko ng tubig. Meron akong jerrycan doon sa bahay, ay sa truck. So ito na lang talaga kukunin ko. Yan. Lagayan ko ng tubig to. Yan. So ang mga dadalhin ko mamaya, I'm gonna take with me is my electronics box, music box. Also I'm gonna bring my food, a little bit of color, and my beautiful brand new what do you call this? Inflator. You wanna take a look? We'll open our brand new inflator made by Motomaster. So ito yung ating bagong inflator ngayon, made in Canada. Dati made in China yung ginagamit natin. Yung made in China ko naman na inflator is gumagana pa naman. Subukan naman natin tong si Motomaster para naman hindi tayo nakakaya, di ba? So huwag yung kalimutan magdala ng fuse pag na-fuse. Okay? So mukhang decent din naman siya. This is the fitting of this inflator. It is dual pump siya, you know, first pump, second pump, kaya dual inflator pump siya. So ito yung fittings niya, and then this extension hose right here, and then ito naman yung connector. Yan. Mukhang high tech na siya ngayon. Hindi na siya mukhang China. So ito naman yung that goes to your sa pito, into your tire. What do you call that? Tire. Yeah, that's it. I don't know kung saan nyo nilalagay yung hangin din na yan. Sa valve pala yung tire valve. Alright. So when you're going, of course, make sure you have food to bring into your adventure. Get some bacons, some steaks. Maybe I'm gonna take 2 steaks, your chili sauce. Maybe you can also bring some eggs into your trail and some seasonings, right? But number one thing that you are not going to forget is your variety of beer. Meron tayong mga brand. Yan. So you know, my friends, if you have big tires at the back and it's very hard to park, you know, I bought an Amazon monitor set, and with meron siyang plug-in play to your cigarette. And there is also some wirings here that you can use to power your camera by putting the facility into the red lines of your reverse lights, and then the black line is goes to the ground connection. So nag-meet up kami ngayon ni Charlie sa Walmart sa Mission, yan sa Luhid. So ngayon nandito kami ngayon sa Canco. Yan. So gagas pa siya. Mukhang binibili na ni Charlie yung gasolina ng Canco. So we are I see Charlie now is coming. So I think we are going now. All right, let's go to the trail. So we just finished the main road. Now we are here on my favorite spot where I used to deflate. This time I'm with Mr. Charles.
Yes, sir.
So we'll be doing a little bit of deflation, tire deflation. So me and my friend King Charles done with the deflation. Not deflation about the economy, deflating the tires only. Deflation is our wallet, you know. So I'm backing up now. I think I'm gonna go ahead. So we are heading to the trail. All right, let's go, bro. We're going. Silipin nga natin si Charlie kung anong sitwasyon. Charlie, where are you? Heading to the trail, my pin is still there. I'm going now, and you are still there. Alright, see you in a bit. First bridge of the trail. My friends, let's make some dust. We will give you some dust. Alright, you will see the dust. My friends, right now this is the first time to go off-road with my newly installed Rough Country front shocks to my 3rd gen Toyota 4Runner off-roads. Hellcat is more softer, smoother ride if you compare actually than the RC, but RC can't complain. Approved. I also recommend RC brand as your choice for shocks. Not too fancy, but nice, right? So my friends, just to let you know, we came from there, right? Ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na why. Ito yung paakyat. Talagang maano kayo dito, malilito kayo kasi you might think this is the main road, right? Because it's like flat. But this is going uphill, so you have to ito yung why na, galing kayo doon, you came from there, don't full get here, just turn left. See, this is the two roads. This is the first Y that you are going to see. So let's go back. Yun. And then at the end, maybe a few kilometer, turn left again. So far I noticed that my shocks is getting smoother now. I think because it's brand new and it's first time on the trail. These RC shocks a little bit steeper on the first one, but now I'm on 25th kilometer, so my ride now is getting smoother and smoother. So we are now approaching the second Y left turn. All right. So this is now the second one. So when you reach this thing, don't go right, but go on your left. So your hints, you can see this sign here, this red sign here. It says road channel here. So this is the FSR you are going to go. This is the second Y. So we just finished flying the drone on this side, so we're heading now to the camp. But I don't see Charlie yet. He's not visible yet on my mirror. But anyway, he's going to follow, so let's go. Let's go. Oh, he's there now. I can see him. He's following me now. Let's go. Bumpy here today, bumpy. It's getting dark now. Time check, it's going 6 o'clock now. My friend is there. Alright. So this is so careful when you're going down here, because you might fall here. Right? So we are now at kilometer 7 mark. The 7 kilometer. Careful, there are erosions here on your way down. So it's almost 6 p.m. already. I'm still in the trail of darkness. Ay. Maybe we will arrive there around past 6, maybe 6:15 p.m. I'm driving slow. Right, it's getting stiffer, going down, going narrower. We have to go down all the way down there. Yeah. We are now inside the forest. It's getting dark now here. Look at this. Somebody cut lungs. Oh, my friend's calling me. So I stopped a little bit to investigate the rubbing on my truck. So I still have a rub here, you know. So I'm still touching this plastic here, and then the inside there. So I'm hiding right now here. I'm hiding Charlie because he's still not there. He's very slow right now. So this is uphill. We're playing hide and seek. I'm waiting for him, not here yet. We are driving with Charlie. Right. Diretso! Ah, it's darkness again. This is called darkness. Many trees. I mean trees and leaves. Going inside. You're not gonna get lost here, obviously. Okay. Sinadaan ka lang, walang washout dyan. Ito yung sinasabi ko, hindi pa nila inayos yung daanan dito eh. Oh. Tubig, magko-cross river kami, oh, crossing the river. Okay. Alright. Ay, a little bumpy here, but you know, it's fine. It's good to get here in the dark. Ang cute talaga ng truck ni Charlie, oh. Oh, bagong-bago. Bagong magasgas. Ganito yung mga gustong kong sinasama sa grupo yung mga bago ang sasakyan sa mga makikitid na daan.
Puro gas-gas na, sir.
Wala pa yan. Wala pang gasgas yan, man. Ayan.
Lang, magbibideo raw si Mrs.
So we are in the tight situation. So because the one truck there, he blocked the way down the beach. That's the problem. So we have to go through this road, and we have turned right there.
Atras ako rin, atras.
Mas maganda yung pwesto ko dati doon.
Ang galing kay Rex.
Plastic. Going back. Going back. Meron pa another place to go that we could park. Maybe here is okay, but let's try the other route. You know?
Saan ka na, Rex? Saan ka?
Dito, pasukin mo tong pinasok ko sa maganda rito. Yung unang pinistuan ko natin.
Hindi ko kung saan dapat.
Oh, yeah. Kita ko rito. Kita ko.
Dapat pa ganyan ka. Ha? Patras ka rito. Tapos ako naman. Bubulta ako, papabante ron. Para ako dyan. Oh, para pa.
So we settled here. Me and Charlie. So this is our location. We used to be there. That side here, that land over there. Now we're here. And we are facing this lake. So time to set up and spread our wings. His wings. So Charlie's first time in this lake, so we'll see. It's all his
So,
house.
friends, for bringing me here.
Yeah. How's the travel? How's the flight?
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah, it's a little bumpy, humpy, dumpy, huh?
But it's good.
Humpy, dumpy. Yeah. Okay, so we'll just here. So time check, 6:30. My expected arrival is around 5:30, but because of some stopovers, some pictures and drones, so at least we found a nice spot today. At least we made it. But the problem I have a rubbing here, these plastics over here. This one is making rub all the time.
Ako,
Yan.
ikaw din, Sir.
Hindi mo na.
Alam ko, gusto ko rin yun. Pinipigil kami na po.
So this thing is like one at a time. After 2 weeks, it's now open again. That's it. That's it. Charlie has a surprise. Guess what? Show Charlie your surprise.
Dead horse.
Extra strong beer. Cheers.
We call it dead horse.
Toast. So the official setup is facing towards the lake and both trucks facing the lake same time. I don't know if that's north because it's north. So the sun, I think sunrise is coming. Sunrise is there. Right now there's somebody. We have a guest. Okay, so Charlie has already made his own set. He's busy with his awning. And I'm busy with my drinks. And later on we're gonna cook some steak. Time check 7:10. And it's still bright. You know.
Take me back to you. Through the lonely night, skies
Sa GPL.
holding on to what happened. Searching for
Shrimp. Babawi na. Ano di pala yung nabati ah.
Good.
Kasi ginatamaan ko na sinuni ka to ay pagod. Nagbabalik ng bagas ko pa. Mababalik
Ang sa akin
Wait, no.
nilasuan sa akin
Hey.
na para you know to a good time and everything mayaman yung may music. Ang ganda view ng Charlie. Pang mayaman o pang rich. So Charles having a test light here. So okay, turn it on. Start it up. Oh yeah. So this is the general. This is already a 6-speed and with the remote control. There you go. How many modes you have? Oh, alright. There's a blinker. There's an emergency light. Emergency. Amber and how about the white one? That's cool. Alright. Yes. Our mini boom. Keep us warm. Good morning, my friends. Unexpected. It should be cloudy today on Saturday, but what happened is it rains a little bit and it's so windy. So everything here was wet. So I already woke up earlier. So I grabbed my towel. I wiped down all the wet portions of the table, but not everything. So this was already wiped out half an hour ago, and me and Charlie, so we woke up earlier, so we set up because it's so windy. The wind is going towards us here, so it's better to have a handy tarp all the time, and always bring a leash. This is very important too, because if you have a tarp, no leash, it will be useless. So we always bring this though, right? So let's see the setup. But before we begin on everything else of our activities, so we started having a coffee first. So let's check. It's just like rain shower is going on here. So you can see the clouds. So it's all wet here. As you can see the water, it's like very active. So this is what's going on today. Like Cap, are you okay? He said approve. So this is our windproof tarp, both facing on the lake. So this is our back, our secret hiding for time bombs. You know time bombs? Okay, careful. When you're stepping here on the land, careful. You might explode. You're going there. Okay, let's get back to the camp and let's complete our coffee session with So this time we try to lead some bonfire, some fire. Rain subsides, but it's coming back again. It's coming back. Still. Let's have some coffee right now. Ay, la cloudy day. All right. We got the sun. So the weather is doing well now. It's no more rain. Yeah, it's nice now. It's nice weather.
Ano yun, sir? Yung salamin ko. Sir, baka gusto mo pa
Isang beer nga dyan. Don't shake for open, okay?
Saan po na, sir?
Don't shake for open.
Saan po, sir?
Bibilaw ka na ko, kailangan ko ng beef steak. So we finish rolling our awnings. So we are going now. Time check 6 p.m. 6 p.m. So we will might have a little bit of coffee time after our karaoke for a short period of time. So
Do you want to give the phone to the lady?
I'll take both. So we have a nice weather today. Alis na kami ni Charlie. Tingnan mo yung mga lights ni Charlie. Oh, kompleto. Oh, di ba? May ilaw siya. Ano? Pang motor. Mga ilaw ni Charlie. Ako naman, pulis.
Please.
May pulis. No. Tangin na yan. Oh, shit. Mahuhuli tayo niyan. Uhulihin tayo niyan. Uhulihin tayo. So we're going now. We're taking...
Happy
Approve.
birthday, Brian!
You're next. Okay, let's go. Bye, North Chalice. Shout. See you next in 3 weeks. Who is coming behind me? Oh, it's Charlie. Who is? Oh my God, he's just right there. My friend is there. Oh, now I can see you in my screen. There you go. visit the 10 Mile Bay. So this is 10 Mile Bay. As you can see. So we've been here before. So it's back today. So we're just gonna park here for a moment. And Charlie wants to see the bay. So we're on 10 Mile Bay. Alright, let's go. We are at 10 Mile Bay. So this is the 10 Mile Bay. Alright. So it's packed today. It's a lot of people in here today. So if you go, I think this is the north and there's a south all the way down there. There's a nice RV spot there too, at the very end on the south. So this is a very friendly campsite. You can bring a small car. Wow. Huh? Dito. So there's more up there. See, there's a lake over there. It's a small island. Small island. So let's talk about the shocks. Now I'm going home back to Vancouver. So we're comparing my previous Elka suspension shocks with RC with the 3-inch lift, while the Elka has a 2.5-inch lift from the past. So if you are speeding, if you are running 40 kilometers an hour, the main FSR is smoother for the RC. But if you are like going only 10 to 20, it's so bumpy, a little bit stiffer. So let's try my brand new inflator dual pump by Moto Master. Friend, let's check his gear by RFX. Single pump but giant. That's cool. We finish our dinner, so we're heading to Surrey and Vancouver, but we have to visit the gasoline station first. Alright, let's go. It's getting dark now.